today we are staying in downtown Las Vegas with a brand new hotel, Circa, and let's see what we're gonna have here.
So, we're so happy to be in this room because this check-in took us forever. Even though we came at 3 p.m., which is the standard check-in time, there were no rooms available. So they told us just to, leave the luggage and walk around the casino and wait until our room was ready. That was pretty weird. So the rooms are at first come, first served basis. I wonder if they do not have any until like midnight.
So we are staying in a studio room with a strip view, and here we have beautiful king bed, and we have work table, we have closet, and we have of course huge TV. And also I love this design. It's a like New York style with a beautiful art. It's amazing. You feel this luxury feeling with a boot, leather, I love it. It's really nice. And now let's go and check the bath. So here we have giant shower, 2 sink, of course toilet, beautiful art with probably mobster, and cool wallpaper. Actually design it's amazing here. But unfortunately we don't have any bathtub. I don't know why all hotels in Las Vegas remove when do some renovation or open like this brand new hotel. And I hate this slide door because you need to be quiet here.
Circa is a brand new hotel. It opened just in October 2020 and they started with a casino, and then in December they opened their hotel. So it's the newest one in downtown and it's beautiful.
And now I'm gonna show you the secret of this room. Are you ready? Woohoo!
Oh.
Second king bed, look at this. We have one here and another here. Look. So I have never seen Murphy bed, it's super cool. And now let's talk about new technology. This is a brand new hotel, and here we have a tablet. You can control with this guy everything in this room. Air condition, privacy tag, and light, weather, time, alarm, do whatever you want. And here we have a speaker for your own music. And also we have controller here. And also we have like touch screen for air condition. And here we have like a night light, privacy, mirror light, high, wide. And for your privacy you have old school door tag.
Circa is an adults only hotel, so only 21 plus, and at the entrance they will check your ID. If you are not 21, you will not be allowed to enter.
So guys, I love this smart furniture because like we have Murphy bed, we have this guy for your luggage, very convenient. So whoever designed it, they did a great job. So unfortunately here we don't have any minibar, but we have your own fridge, totally yours, without anything inside. So guys, what do you prefer? Minibar or fridge? Comment below. I wanna know your opinion, because for me, I love both probably. So, but chairs are manual. Control with your fingers.
The location of this hotel is really nice if you are looking to stay in the downtown area of Las Vegas. It's a little bit far from the strip and everything we have there, but we have like a nice view of the strip from the room. But at the same time, it's one of the best areas in downtown just to walk around and enjoy one of the largest screens that you have in the world. And they also have lots of art where you can just like walk around and create photos and yeah, just enjoy, you know, this nighttime experience here.
And here we have this R for good luck. So let's go to the casino and explore common ground.
So the elevators have smart controls here. We just push the button and we choose the floor, and then it shows us which one is ours. So we'll do the casino level 1 and it's F1. It's this one.
Is this one?
Yeah.
Oh, super fast.
Going down.
And now, my favorite part. Let's check the dusty places. Let's start from this guy. Here is clean, okay. And here is clean. And now let's check the Murphy bed. Oh no. Murphy bed, look at this. Why are you so dirty? Some food crumbs and some... So now let's check TV. A little bit dusty, but it's not too bad.
1 week dust?
Yeah, 1 week dust. And now let's check this nightstand. Wow, here is pretty clean. Look, not bad. So, the only Murphy bed, a little bit dirty. So here I love this fluffy chair for makeup, you know. You can sit here, turn light. Yeah, it's good, I love it. And the bathroom is clean.
And we're staying at a beautiful one-king bed with a street view, and depending on the day of the week, this room can be anywhere from $250 to like $400, $450, but according to the hotel itself, the maximum room charge is $999 per night. Circa Hotel is famous for the stadium swim. That's one of the biggest pools here in downtown area, and it has some giant TVs. A pretty cool experience, and what's interesting is that you can go even if you're not a guest, so they're just selling tickets for everyone to enter.
And now let's check the Yellowstone. Oh no. Brand new. Brand new and clean. Oh my gosh, here is really hot already.
You're doing a great job, Checker.
I'm 6 feet tall, and this bed a little bit short for me. If you're taller than me, your feet off the bed. And I don't have a nightstand, so only on this side. But here another problem. So when you wake up, it's not enough space to go out. You can hit yourself with this nightstand. This is a square mattress. Yeah, really. It's a square. You can sleep any direction. Do you like this one?
Yeah, that's pretty cool. You can call them from the tablet.
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah, so you're out of ropes and you're out of sleepers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so our light is just like out of control. So it goes on and off by itself. And we were trying to find some like motion sensors or something, and it doesn't help. I mean, we've called the technician and they told that they sent one. So we're back now, but it's still the same. I mean, we still have the same issue. So basically I just like turn it on and I'm expecting it to go dark again like in a minute. So no, our light, so it just goes on and off all the time. So we can
Oh, the light.
the light, yeah.
Okay, what is your room number?
So I'm just sitting and it goes on and off.
Okay,
It's
what is your room number?
3505.
And you said somebody was just there to fix it?
Yeah, I was so we were out and I got a call that someone was outside our door and he. Okay, so you see I turned on like all the lights again.
Oh, here you go.
Here you go. And then it goes off again. Like it just like would like yeah. So what happens?
So, the Legacy Club is amazing. I love this view. It's so beautiful and nice. And design is cool. It's perfect. In 16th floor, it's super high. And you see the street. Good morning, guys. This bed is so good, but it's time to get out of here. Let's go to the gym. So, the gym a little bit small and just like basic equipment here. So, overall, I love this design, it's so cool, it's a New York style, all material like natural from wood and leather. I love this smart furniture and pool is amazing.
But something small that we didn't like was that we arrived at the check-in time and the rooms were not ready. So we were asked just to walk around without any estimate of time, and that was just not very nice, you know, because at the checkout you are reminded a couple of times that it's 11 a.m. and you need to leave by like multiple messages and housekeeping knocking on your door. So I'm not sure why they don't care about their guest experience so much, but at the same time the staff was like smiling, they were very nice and trying to help. As with pretty much all Las Vegas hotel, we pay a resort fee, but parking was not included, it was extra $25, and also some amenities were not available for us, like very basic sleepers and bathrobes, which we requested a couple of times and we were just told that they ran out of them. So and some other items that we requested, they just kind of are not available. So it just requires a little bit of planning, and if the management just does a better job like planning all these things to be available for their guests and do not make us wait,
I think it's gonna be a perfect stay in downtown area, and as this is like the brand new hotel which just opened 8 months ago. Would I recommend someone to stay here? I mean, if it's your first time going to Las Vegas, I would recommend probably staying at the Strip where all the like major attractions are. But if you've been to Vegas like us, like a million times, it's always nice to explore something new, and Circa Hotel is just like a wonderful place to be.
So subscribe to our channel and see you next video. Bye bye.